Hi guys, once again you are welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video guys, I present to you 40 types of food idea that African man cannot say no to. A food that you prepared in your home, you spice your marriage bed, and the love your children have for you increase overnight. Watch to the end. Please subscribe if you are new on this channel, and also help me to share this video. Please like the video and leave your comment below. See you soon again for other satisfying video. Watch to the end. Bye bye.